All right, so turns out that the way to everyone's heart is through their stomach, not just men. And with Valentine's Day just 3 days away, why not heat things up in the kitchen? Mom and daughter duo, Rowena Renee Zimenez and Sharon Rufus of Chefs by Rowena Renee are here to shake things up. I know for a fact that Jody is like that. By the way, I'm not on social media, but apparently there's lots of fun going on with Tanya and some other folks, so they can go check that out. Morning to you both.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
So, moms, you are the teacher here.
Yes, I am.
She can cook?
Yes, she can.
You sure?
Positive.
Where did this start? You didn't like the kitchen too tough, did you?
Of course. In fact, I used to always ask Mommy, teach me how to cook. Because Mommy would even carry home students because she used to teach.
Right.
So she would even carry home students, showing them, like when they're preparing for exams and that kind of thing. I'm like, Mommy, so what happened to me?
So why you did want to learn? Why?
What do you mean why I want to
play
learn?
and all kind of thing?
No, I wanted to learn. I'm an only child, so I stick by her side like glue. Yes. So,
Mom, you were an official chef, or you're just a mother who likes to cook and help people?
Well, I taught home economics for some time.
Okay.
I studied home economics in
So you're a big
college.
chef?
Yes.
Nice. And then you decided, when did you think, no, Rowena, that, no, man, I could do this too, and I can make stuff and make it taste good and stuff?
well, actually, I used to, going to college, being on my own, and then leaving college, renting apartments on my own. So, I had to do my own thing. And then I started to, get into it and realize that, okay, I can do a thing or two.
Yeah.
And then I went to be an academic mentor for a student in St. Elizabeth, and I had to prepare his meals.
Okay.
And he would say to me, Miss, we can do a little thing, you can. So, I started to, and my friends would tell me that, my things taste nice. And so persons always tell my family members, you guys should open a restaurant, you guys should do this, you guys should do that. So I too also always wanted to have my own business and open a restaurant. And so I thought of what could I do that would require a small amount of capital to start. And so that's how Chefs by Rowena Renee was born.
So Chefs by Rowena Renee is a physical space?
No, it's
No.
not a physical space. So it's a personal chef service where we go into the client's home
Okay.
and do meal preparation.
So for what? Party, wedding, or,
Or
if I
just regular day-to-day meal preparation.
So if I just want lunch, I just call you and bring lunch for me?
And I come there and I prepare your lunch at
You
your home.
prepare it?
Yes.
Oh.
So not necessarily me, but we have
Yeah.
chefs that we match with clients. And
Moms, you don't start anything unless you tell me what you do. I know the floor manager tell you must start, but you need to tell me what you're doing. What you doing, moms?
all right, so right now she's just pouring some olive oil into the pot
What you gonna make?
to the chicken. So we're going to be making chicken teriyaki pineapple bowls. As you can see, we're going to be serving in our
You're going to
pineapple
serve-
bowls.
Yeah. What's this right here?
So these are pecan tarts.
I don't know if we can see it. We're going to put it up here so we can see it. Pecan tarts.
Yes. So those are homemade pecan tarts. Mommy made those yesterday. So those are just a little sweet treat to add to the main course that we're going to be
Yeah,
serving.
Mom, move that. Yeah, move the bottle so we can. No, you hide up. How's that? I'll get it. Don't worry about it, Mom. You go and cook, Mom. I put it in my pocket. Joke. So anything I want, breakfast, lunch, dinner, anything I want, I
Breakfast,
can get
lunch,
from
or
Chef.
dinner. Or if you want us to come, say, on Sunday and prepare for Sunday and Monday and package it away, then we do that as well.
Okay, so I can't just order and come pick it up.
No.
So you prepare it yourself.
So the chefs come to your home and prepare the meals for you.
Okay, how's it been going?
It's been good, going good. We've been getting great feedback and we've been getting a few clients here and there.
Yeah. What kind of lead up time I need? Say I have a little office party, 35, 40 people. What kind of lead up time I need?
All right, so it depends on the availability of the chef. So we prefer at least 2 weeks in advance so that we can book you
2
your
weeks?
chef at least, at minimum.
So how many chefs work with you?
Well, currently, including my mom, I have 4, and we're recruiting additional chefs.
Okay, and you cook anything?
Anything, because it's personal. Remember, it's
Right,
personal.
so anything I want. Even if you've never done it yet, you'll find a way.
So it depends on the
Certainly.
chef. So if a chef says, okay, I'm not comfortable doing that, then I ask another chef.
Okay, great, fantastic. And you said even one single meal?
Even one single meal.
Yeah.
So if you have, so Valentine's Day is coming up. We had a wife from Canada actually reached out to me a few weeks ago to do breakfast for her husband who was vacationing in Jamaica but didn't get a chance to get a real Jamaican breakfast.
Brilliant.
And so she reached out to us to go and do the breakfast for him.
You're obviously on social media. That's what
Yes,
she found.
so we're on Instagram at Chefs by Rowena Renee and Facebook as
Mom's
well.
talk to me, no, Mom's what one. What you doing?
Well, actually, I'm sauteing the chicken breast pieces.
Meat piece of chicken pan TV there, man. I will eat another piece, man. Like, for it look good.
Okay.
And how long that would take now? And this have a name, we just wait name.
Okay, so this is the chicken teriyaki.
Chicken
Or
teriyaki.
teriyaki chicken.
So the teriyaki is the sauce. is
Right,
it?
the teriyaki is the sauce.
I know these things.
So we've already combined the ingredients for the sauce. So we
What
have
does it-
soy
what do you mean?
sauce,
Yeah.
we have sugar, brown sugar,
Yeah.
we have ginger, we
Yeah.
have garlic, we have
Yeah.
some sesame oil, and
Pineapple.
pineapple juice.
So that's the teriyaki
Yes.
sauce.
Well,
So what you do, you just throw it on top of it or what?
right, so as soon as, so she'll just give it 3 minutes to just kind of brown, and
Yeah.
then we're going to put the sauce into it.
Cauliflower.
All right, so we have the cauliflower boiling with some broccoli and string beans and carrots. The cauliflower we're going to be using to make cauliflower pasta because people like myself who are actively trying to lose weight don't want to use the macaroni, so you can replace it with the cauliflower.
You're actively trying to lose weight.
Yes, I've lost 31 pounds so far.
You've lost so much?
31 pounds so far
Congrats.
since I last came here in August, I think. Yeah.
How many more pounds you want to lose?
I want to lose about 70 more pounds.
70?
Yes.
Nobody now go see you.
I'm tall, you know, don't underestimate my weight. I'm very tall. So
You're coming from...
yes. Yes, you have it.
Yeah, but if you lose another 70, that's 120 pounds you're going to lose.
I'm-
No, 30 you said, not 100 pounds you're going to lose.
Yes.
Nobody now go see you.
Yes. My head big, so you'll see me.
So the final weight you want to be is what?
170?
Okay. Yeah, because you're tall and stuff, yeah. Moms,
Yes, sir.
you're doing things that you're not telling them.
All right, I'm going to be making a cheese sauce for
Cheese sauce.
right for the
Cauliflower.
cauliflower.
Let me not see no cheese.
It's right here.
Oh,
But what I have here is some coconut milk. Instead of using flour and fat
Yeah.
to make the roux, we use some coconut milk.
I
'cause
eat piece of chicken. This.
everybody's trying to.
Wow. Yes, man.
Everybody's
Please burn
trying
down.
to go healthy these days. So you use the coconut milk.
When moms, you just break a record. I most smoke me ever seen that. I never see someone smoke. I hope you do that up there. I see it start flash.
No, it won't.
Oh,
Clean smoke.
you pray. You know what I
Always
put
do.
out studio. We reach now. So that's the coconut milk.
This is a coconut milk. So I'm going to allow it to cook for a few minutes and then I'm going to add the cheese to it.
Okay.
And then I'm going to,
Ready? Take them off.
yes.
Rowena Renee, how we find you?
Okay, so you can find me on Instagram at Chefs by Rowena Renee.
Yeah.
You can find me on Facebook with the same handle. You can also go to the website www.chefsbyrowenarenee.com or email contact@chefsbyrowenarenee.com. And you can also call 876-321-3375.
Yeah. By the way, you come and cook. I forget you the ingredients. It's me have to cook, buy the meat. And
So
all
we
that.
can do the shopping for you, or you can have the ingredients ready for us when we get there.
Which one is easier for you?
Whatever works for you, it's personal. So whatever works for you works for us.
Okay.
So I'm just going to make just put some water to the cornstarch to thicken the sauce for the
Moms,
chicken.
I more smoke me ever seen. Mine is water something start wet up the whole of it. We reach now. Where's the cheese?
I'm going to add it to the coconut milk. Enough.
Why the longer this go, it look like it's more than one piece of chicken me eat this. me like how it look. Teriyaki.
I don't want to break it out, you know.
No, man, you're not breaking up. No. I'm fine.
You're fine.
So want to check the Instagram thing when we just telling about a while ago?
Ready? Put it in.
Oh, it's not Instagram, it's where? Twitter.
Instagram and Facebook.
No, it's not. It's something else. You mentioned some people was telling about some things happening on Twitter.
Mommy, them not
You ready now?
We're almost ready. Give me that one. Give me that
Someone
one.
when the cheese gone. Cheese melted out.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the old point.
I like how it look.
Give me that other dish.
I have a minute and a half to fix my breakfast.
All right, we're almost there. Just want to get some of the cauliflower
Can't
out
take
for
Judy,
you.
because Judy have won't take all.
Moment now, come
I'm going
on.
to wait. And they will Judy. What you doing right now, Renee?
I'm just trying to fish out some of the cauliflower for the pasta, so that we can have your little side dish for your chicken.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
All right, we're almost out of time. Tell me again how you found and what kind of lead-up time you need and what you do.
All right, so you can find us on Instagram at Chefs by Rowena Renee,
Yeah?
on Facebook at Chefs by Rowena Renee, www.chefsbyrowenarenee,
So you just put it in the pineapple thing now.
.com. Contact at Chefs by Rowena Renee.
Okay, I have a stupid question. You just eat out the chicken or you eat the pineapple when it come out?
Say that again?
You just the chicken
Of
alone,
course, because remember there's pineapple juice in the sauce, so the more the merrier. If some pineapple comes up in your thing,
It's
enjoy.
all right. Yeah, man. I like how it look. Mums, what is your part now? Come to Mums, man. Start well.
Go. Oh. Bring the pineapple.
I tell you something look alike. Me sure
You know,
related.
somebody said to us, if we're the carbon copies of each other.
Me sure you're related, don't it?
Yes, we do.
When it really look nice. Quite classy.
Thank you.
You know, that's the reason I don't cook.
Why is that?
Because after all this, it's done in about 2 minutes. Can you remember that? After you do so much work and try burn down the whole studio.
Though the dream.
And then in 2 minutes, it's done. We can't manage that.
Okay, go.
Your chicken look like it's still cooking though. You need to turn off something there.
Perfect.
See, it's a good thing I'm here. That's it?
What would we have done without you?
All right, so this
Oh, you
is...
can garnish
this is
your,
what is that now, Mommy?
Parsley.
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 Parsley, you garnish it.
So we're just gonna put a little bit of this just to give you a more attractive look with the
This is beautifully done.
chicken. You want to help me, Neville?
What you want me to do?
Open that for me, please.
It's not a problem. What's the way you want me to do? Wait, huh? It's the most difficult thing you give me to do. See here, I have it.
Thank you.
Am I
There
not
you go.
good, though?
Yes, you are.
What is that?
This is sesame seed. I hope you're not allergic.
Sesame seed.
Yes. Just for the look of things. There you go.
This is beautifully done. Beautifully done. Owners of Chefs by Renee, Sharon Rufus and Rowena Renee Zimenez. We make a quick Black History Month stop right after this. Well, Sim went at the rest of the show because we'll eat some chicken. All right, so come back.